From across the globe, event leaders will gather for iconic education on the industry's best content. For one reason, to connect people with purpose.
The best part about attending events is the learnings that you will get that you can't read online. You have to experience it. All of the virtual platforms that we've set up can't replace that moment in time where you and I meet face to face. We find something that brings us together and then starts the launch pad for a new relationship.
We need to come back, and we are the leaders in the industry to bring it back. Be fearless, because out of that fearlessness is going to be a resurgence.
This is our time. This is our community and yours.